Right. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are a new subscriber, if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today I'm hitting nice road. It's been a while since I rode, so I wanted to ride. Let's ride. Let's wait a minute before I hit the road. Okay. It's already heated up, so I don't have to wait longer. Let's go. Hopefully audio is good. While riding, talking, it's always tough. That too, this helmet makes a little bit of noise, so that's another reason I need to ride at a little bit low speeds and talk. Otherwise a lot of disturbances for sure. Slow moving vehicle, keep left. Of course I'm keeping left. It's a fine Sunday evening. I'm heading towards Tumkur Road from Banegata Road. When I rise the acceleration, man, it takes that intake air and it makes hell lot of noise. That's like really music to the ears. I'm hitting 3000 plus RPM and it's already making hell lot of noise, the air intake. The bike needs open roads. If you are not hitting open roads on this bike, definitely it's not worth the ride. Can you hear it? The intake air, my goodness, that's a music, man, music. Let me talk about how I have started braking in the engine. Up to 800 kilometer I have maintained around mostly 4000 RPM. In some cases I did cross 4000 whenever I had to overtake, or just to see up to 5500 RPM I think. Maybe a few times up to 800 kilometer I have done that. So since I crossed 800 now and also first service is done, I can reach up to 6000 RPM. I can reach up to 6000 RPM, and 6000 RPM it takes you beyond 150 km per hour. So it scares the shit out of me whenever I try to do that. But anyhow, I enjoy this bike. That is how I have been braking in the engine. I'm strictly going as per the owner's manual. It says up to 800 kilometer, 4000 RPM. Beyond 800 up to 1600 kilometers, I can hit up to 6000 RPM. So that is the one I am following. Sometimes here and there I have tested the engine, of course, a little bit more than whatever was specified in the owner's manual. So as you guys know, this bike has two power modes. One is full, another one is lower power mode. Right now, if you could see, I am in low power mode, traction control 2. This road has little bit of bumpiness to it, so I thought of riding like that. While coming back, I would be changing that to full power mode, traction control 1. So that way it gives me more sporty performance. Right now I'm getting 70% of the engine bhp, but that is more than enough, you know. These roads used to be very well maintained, but I don't know what happened to them. Even though they collect a lot of money, they're still not taking care of them, you know, very well. A lot of patches. Listen to that air intake. Holy cow. I love it, man. I love the traction control for our roads, man. It stabilizes the bike like anything, you know. It doesn't let go your tire here and there, so that way you get that stabilized run of the bike. Fantastic, man. Fantastic to do, you know, high speeds. Somewhere I need to stop and you know, enjoy this scenery and make a short video, which maybe I can, you know, capture a time lapse something. Let me see. Let me overtake few vehicles, man. Okay, this was a promotional Formula 1 track used way back, I don't know how many years back, few years back. And it is really good to ride because it has concrete. What happened? There's an accident. Oof. I don't want to see that, man. I don't want to see that. That's why I'm not stopping. Hopefully that guy, whoever was there in the car, is okay. It's an unfortunate thing actually that gives you a pause and think when you are riding or, you know, driving. I have ridden many times on nice road, but never seen an accident. Wow, that was looking very bad actually. I could see the blood on the road. Oh my god. Hopefully the people who were there in the car are okay, man. Duke 390. Just before that accident zone, I was riding like a Sportster. Of course, I was not hitting beyond 150, but still, you know, that gave me a pause, you know, and scared me a little. That's it, boys and girls. Reached Tumkur Road end. You know, I need to head back again. Okay. ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್, ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಸರ್ ನಾವು.